So I've just bought this trimmer, the Ryobi 290 watts. I'm gonna put it together. Voila. So the version is this RLT 2925, 230 volts, 290 watts, made in PRC. Perhaps Germany? No? Winnebadden? I don't know where PRC is. Please comment if you know. And you have here 25 centimeter width. The weight is 1.8 kilo. You get a 3-year warranty, so hopefully it will last and be a good engine. The manual, all this contains is don't slip and don't walk backwards, and pretty obvious things, but I guess they have to write them because of regulation. But it doesn't contain anything useful, according to me. So the good and bad. This inlet for the air that I think is cooling the motor gets a lot of grass, so you have to clean them, but you just have to remember it. I haven't had to push it down like other. This is self-adjusting, and that might mean that it takes a lot of thread. We'll see in time, but I think it's extracts every time you push the start button. So, but overall I'm happy with it. It's not that you can't cut that thick. I think it's 1.6 millimeter thread, so, and it's only one thread. The bigger one has two, and thicker thread, so, but it's light and easy to use, so yeah, I recommend it. The sound is about 96 dB, and the cord here, this is not the battery variant.